Hi, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and I'm going to give you the best three things to do to speed up your rugged laptop, whether it's a rugged laptop or a rugged tablet. And the first thing I would do is use something like CCleaner and clean out all the temp files, cookies, everything on your computer so that it doesn't have to check those files before it starts up. The second thing that I would do is I would check my hard drive. Make sure you have an SSD. If you don't, it's time to upgrade to an SSD hard drive. That will significantly speed up your laptop or tablet. And thirdly, what I would do is update Windows 11. Hopefully you have Windows 11, but I would update my Windows version and then update all the drivers that are in the unit so that I have the latest version of the drivers for the components of the laptop or tablet. But here's a bonus for you, and this is something that I think everyone should actually be doing on a regular basis because there's all kinds of bloat that gets loaded in when you load in software. So for example, Microsoft Office will load in a small startup load so that if you ever decided to use Word or Excel and you tried to open it, it would open quicker when you're trying to use it. But if you don't use it every day, you don't need that in your startup menu on the taskbar. So just disable it. Another example would be Chrome. Chrome always loads in something on startup. You want to speed up your laptop? Disable those types of apps in the task manager. So let me just review that real quick. You want another bonus for you is not so much to speed up the laptop, but to help it run smoother is add more memory. In some cases, you may have a limited amount of memory in your laptop or tablet, and you may be beneficial for you to add in the memory. Memory right now is not that expensive and is a great upgrade, especially if you do a lot of multitasking. So there you go. There's 3 of my favorites plus 2 bonuses that I think everyone should be looking at whenever they have a rugged laptop or tablet. Well, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We come out with videos every week. I'll see you guys next week.